I work for Northern Construction, and we've been contracted to come in and remove the 5 spans of crest gates. So the crest gate's kind of like a bladder. It's an inflatable bladder, and we are here right now getting set up, building our cofferdams so that we can remove spans 4 and 5, and then we're going to move to 3, 2, and 1 throughout the course of the summer. So on the back side of the dam, there's pre-drilled holes in the concrete, and every 4 feet on center, those holes take a 1 5/8 pin. So the reason for us using the AirSpades was we found that that was the best tool to be able to blow out the holes. The holes are between 12 and 14 inches deep, and since 2001, when the bladders were originally first put on, those holes haven't been cleaned out. So we needed something with a lot of power, and we figured that the AirSpade was the best tool to use, and in fact it was. So we put about a 3-man crew up on top in each span, and they went hole by hole, and they were able to safely blow everything out, and then we're able to drop our pins in, which holds our splashboards, which builds the cofferdam.